Hey everyone! Did you know that eating meat can have a ton of surprising health benefits? Today, I'm going to share 10 shocking reasons why including meat in your diet can be amazing for your health. Let's dive right in. First up, meat can boost your immunity. Red meat is rich in zinc, which is crucial for fighting off infections and keeping your immune system strong. Number 2, it promotes muscle growth and repair. The high protein content in meat helps build and repair muscles, making it essential for athletes and anyone who loves staying active. Third, meat regulates digestion. It provides essential amino acids that aid in digestion and can even help alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Next, meat improves blood circulation. Iron-rich meat helps maintain healthy red blood cells, ensuring proper oxygen delivery to your tissues and organs. Fifth, it protects your heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish and grass-fed beef can help reduce inflammation and improve cardiovascular health. Number 6, meat supports brain function. Docosahexaenoic acid, DHA, and eicosapentaenoic acid, EPA, in fish and meat have been shown to promote cognitive function and brain development. Seventh, it gives you better skin, hair, and eyes. Omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin A in meat can improve your skin health, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy hair and eye function. Next up, meat enhances fetal development. Pregnant women who consume omega-3 rich fish and meat may experience improved fetal brain and eye development. Number 9, it supports healthy bones. Meat is a rich source of protein, which is essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. And finally, meat may reduce the risk of certain diseases. Some studies suggest that moderate meat consumption may lower the risk of chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes, Parkinson's disease, and certain types of cancer. Remember, to reap these benefits, choose high-quality, grass-fed, and lean meats. And always maintain a balanced diet. If you have any specific concerns or questions about your meat consumption, be sure to consult with a healthcare professional. That's it for today. I hope you found these surprising benefits of eating meat as fascinating as I did. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing health tips. Stay healthy and see you next time.